Hello, my name is Prince Yemi Kasali. Welcome back to another entrepreneurial training section. In today's edition, we shall be treating how to make garlic powder. In case you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please do. You need to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on Facebook to have access to more entrepreneurial trainings so that you get notified whenever we drop any other entrepreneurial training. So, these are our garlic. I choose to get the imported garlic, so because it is big and it's easy to peel, so it depends on you. If you're selling, then try and see which one pays, if it is going to be the local one or the imported one, depending on what you'll be selling and where you'll be selling it to. I'm choosing the imported because it's big enough to peel. So these are my peeled garlic. I have removed the back, so I'll be rinsing to remove dirt. You know, the outermost part has been exposed to dust and so on, so I'm rinsing. So after rinsing, I would have to slice them into smaller particles so that it can get dry. So these are my smaller particles. I just need to use knife to bring them to smaller particles so that it can dry off on time. So this is just to make sure it gets dry easily. So like I said in my previous training, we have so many ways of drying. You can use hydrating machine to dry. That gives you more good results and it doesn't change the color of your production. But you can also use oven, and you can also create artificial oven where you'll be using charcoal as a source of heat. It's just for you to expose this to heat. And you can also dry outside if you want to dry it naturally. That would only take more time. For people who will be selling, that might not be much reasonable because of the time taken to dry and what it involves, the stress and so on. You know, taking it, putting it into the sun, taking it off the sun, watching the rain not to affect it and some other pests not to go into it. So now I want you to note something. When I'm drying, I'm making use of the top or means of creating heat, that is the fire at the top. I'm trying to adjust the control so that it gives me low heat, but most of the time when I do that, it goes off, so I just have to leave it the way it is. But I made sure I put my tray at the last space so that I don't have the heat directly on what I am trying to dry. So this is my production. As you can see, it's breaking, so simply means it's dry. This took me less than an hour because I have sliced this into pieces and I didn't overload the tray. So I didn't overload the tray like I did when doing my onions. So some of them is yet to break easily. That is why I return it back. Now I'm bringing it out because everything is dry, well dry. As you can see, it's already breaking. I'm putting it into a plate right now just to add it into our grinding machine. We are making use of blender here. If you're doing big quantity, you can make use of the normal engine, but I'm using my normal blender. But I think this blender is a grinder, so I'm adding this into my grinder. I'm going to grind this right now. So it's grinding, like you can see. It's really rolling. As you can see, the vapor, the powder form trying to escape at the topmost part. So we are almost done. Let me check if it's cool enough. Okay, I just wanted to see that part. It shows that it's really going into powder. That is why we are seeing it. So this is our grinded ginger. That's it. It's in powder form. It's not. It can't be better than this. So that's it. I'm leaving it to cool. After cooling down, then I'll add it to my container. And you know, you can add it into a nylon container or a container that has cover, and you can keep in your freezer, so it can spend up to a year in your freezer. Thank you very much. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. I hope you enjoyed this training, and please subscribe to our channel if you're yet to subscribe to our channel. This will give you access to more of our entrepreneurial training. Thank you.